Wala
Hear
naman
me
eh.
out, hear me out. Mark.
Uy, yun.
Hala! Uy! Oh!
First blood.
What the
Ang
heck?
lakas.
Oo. You ain't
Bro,
getting
I
me.
thought
You
it-
ain't getting me. You ain't getting me. You
thought it
ain't
was
getting me. You ain't
Freddy,
getting me.
bro.
No.
Takbo ka agad eh.
Hindi siya lumabas sa akin kanina eh. Diretsong jumpscare eh.
Ay, hinahabol pa rin kayo.
Uy! Gagin!
Are you lost? Yes, I'm lost, mommy.
Nasaan siya?
Ano?
Medyo pa rin siya gagi.
Uy, si Chika nandito din.
Sa white line.
Bakit tumagos sa ano?
Ang daya. Ay, paano i-out to?
Tumagos sa pinto.
Uyong, uy.
Hi, Chika. Uy,
Not you.
Chika stripping, bro.
Uy! I wanna see that.
Dito.
Saan siya? Uy!
Hindi ako yun.
Ano sabi niya?
Yari si Shal.
Bro, I died! Ako nga.
Pinagsamahan ng dalawa.
Uy! Bro, she's camping. I died again. She's camping. Tapos,
Takbo lang.
next. Uy! Bakit
Ah?
na-jump scare ako?
Ano? Ano?
Natag team.
I don't get this game.
Bro, hate you, man. Yan kasi sabi mo, she eating trash. Yan.
Yan kasi.
Ay, nandyan na naman siya. Wala na. Bro, just ganyan.
Ano ginagawa?
Bro, there's no going out. There's no escape.
Kahit malayo pa siya, pupunta na si Chika.
Kaya nga eh. What the heck? May sino yung hinahabol na to?
Ako.
Ayan, ako naman yung hinabol. Wow. There I am. Bro, there's no...
Okay.
no escape.
Wait. Alright. I'm gonna go with you. Alright, let's go. Diretso lang ah. Takbo lang. As in. Takbo. Run.
Running, what's with this? Bitches. Sprint.
Just run, bro. Alright. Run again. Run. Keep on running.
Oh, running. Oh, bitch.
Just run.
Ay,
Bro, my keyboard lag.
hindi ka matsura.
Bitch ass game.
Kasi Chika dumadiretso dun sa spawn.
Oh, now she's here. Chica, hi.
Nasa spawn
Yeah.
na agad si Chika.
Yeah. Hi. Hello. What happened to that?
Hinabol
There
ako.
you are. Yes.
Nagagalit na si Sean.
Pag ito, oh my god.
Yan.
Yan na, okay na.
Okay na. Next na kalaban mo si Chika.
Where is she? Pagbukas ko nito, nandito.
Wala,
Hindi,
ayos na.
takbo lang.
Why? I always me, bro.
Bakit parang naglakad ka papunta sa kanya?
Bro, if you're so offended with the bad breath, don't eat rats. Oh, there you are.
Nabibisit na siya. Namatay na naman si Sean.
Jessie Gregory, hindi pa ako nag-respond. Yeah! Hindi pa ako nag-respond. Na nila yung katawan. Wow!
Ah,
Bro, there's spectate. I'ma just spectate at this point. They
Nah.
camping.
no, no.
I'll retry once again. One last time. Yeah, of
Ay,
course, si Chika.
But what the hell, boy?
Tumakbo na agad si Chika.
Oh, there you are. Oh, there you are. There you are. Wait, I'ma share my screen. Just for y'all to see what they be doing to me. Oh, hi. Y'all see that?
Sa mga retry.
Oh! Wow!
Ano yung nangyari dyan?
Bro, I'm gonna message the creator of this.
Isa pa.
Bro! Look! They're scooping my body! I'm not even there! Oh, diba? Now y'all see? Y'all see how hard it is for me? Oh, they're gone? Is that for real?
Uy,
There you are! He's gonna U-turn. Oh, diba? There you are.
wait lang. Yan.
Try not to come. Try not to come. Impossible challenge. Diba? Di pa ako
Grabe,
umaalis
bumibilis
dito, there
siya.
you are. Oh, hello. Wala ako.
Ito pala si ano mo. Ay, ayos na.
Again? Oh,
Ayos na.
wait. Ayos na.
Takbo.
Bakit ang bagal ko? Hi. There's no...
Pag naka-slow mo ka.
Sabay tayo ah.
The trick.
Sacrifice.
Carl, mauna ka nga.
Sasalubong
Para
sa'yo yun
alam
pag
mo
nauna ako.
anong...
Sa left. Sa left lang, dire-diretso.
Sa left, dire-diretso.
Yun! Gagi, sinusundan ka talaga. Hanggang taas, sinusundan tayo.
Uy, go!
Mamatay ako.
Oh, wait.
Enemy rampage.
Namatay ka.
Enemy killing spree. Enemy godlike. Enemy dominating.
Our YouTube gonna be
Enemy
6
legendary. Enemy double kill. Enemy triple
I'ma throw
kill.
some
Enemy
shade.
maniac. Enemy
Yan, kasi
savage.
tinatrash talk mo kasi si Chika eh.
I'm trash talking, siya nga trash talk mismo.
Uy,
Why do you hate me? I'm sorry, girl.
yan.
In case
Ang gandulo sinusundan eh.
Hinahabol talaga, men.
Ayun, na jumpscare na naman.
Uy,
Well done, Gregory. You found a security office.
No.
You should be quite safe here. The doors are designed to keep our highly trained security staff safe in the event of an emergency.
bro, did you
As long
leave?
as the doors stay closed, which they will, as long as there is ample power.
No?
Try mo nga ano,
Power's only at 15% and they're pounding on the door. How am I gonna get out of here?
buhay ka ba, Shell?
Panic. You should see an
Oo.
interface on the security desk.
Dito ako.
Hold on while I make it
Di
accessible
nag-TP.
to you.
Asan kayo?
There. You
Okay.
can now activate security protocols.
Sa next, ano?
Hindi.
Saan ka pumunta, Carl?
Oh,
Oh,
Ito si Shell.
Yes.
Ay, sabi.
ano yan?
what?
Paano ko nakalis?
Survive. Huh?
Paano ka nakalis?
I don't know, man. I just got that.
Na-TP ka?
Nice.
Let's go.
Ayun na naman.
Ano to? Nasaan siya?
Uy, nasa ano siya. Kung saan man. Camp 3, Camp 3. Asan ba yun?
Ayan, oh.
Uy, si Jeff! Ay, kayo pala. Ay,
Uy!
Ayan, oh.
paano?
Nangahabol.
What
Uy.
the hell? Oh
Um,
my God, no way, yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Saan ka, Shell?
Nandito lang.
Wait, I'm still here. Now what am I supposed
Buhatin
to
nyo
do?
naman.
Uy, teleport.
Teleport.